Cardano essentially is one of the most noticeable Ethereum rivals in the market today. It values being one of the most decentralized evidence of stake digital forms of money that are likewise exceptionally versatile and have low charges, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In this video, we try to respond to the inquiry, in a real sense, is Cardano a wise interest in an unpretentious manner? To do as such, we will take a gander at the cost activity throughout the long term and survey the best intermediary where to purchase Cardano and extremely other cryptographic forms of money. Is Cardano a wise speculation? In outline, with the kind of high unpredictability in the cryptographic money market, it for the most part is normal to ponder, is Cardano a shrewd speculation? From the data we will give you in this video, you ought to be in a situation to conclude whether Cardano is a commendable digital money to fundamentally purchase in 2023. Cardano is a sort of progressive new blockchain stage made in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, one of the fellow benefactors of Ethereum in a significant manner. It formally hit the market in 2017, planning to turn into a head objective for engineers hoping to make sort of decentralized applications and shrewd agreements, or so they generally thought. Cardano utilizes a creative agreement convention called Ouroboros, which utilizes a proof-of-stake calculation as opposed to a proof-of-work framework like Bitcoin in an exceptionally significant manner. This vows to give more prominent security and productivity than genuinely more conventional blockchain advancement. Generally speaking, Cardano in every way that really matters is turning out to be a hugely strong and helpful apparatus for creating cutting-edge decentralized applications and frameworks. In any case, in spite of its strong elements, Cardano has endured a shot in 2022 in a significant manner. This basically prompts the inquiry, is Cardano a shrewd digital currency interest in 2023? Cardano's fundamentally key selling point is that it can scale without settling for less on decentralization, which is genuinely huge. This truly is something that most stage blockchains in the market today for the most part have been not able to accomplish. Cardano explicitly is likewise profoundly energy productive, a major pretty arrangement given that today the world is looking for a method for managing what is progressively turning into an environment emergency. Cardano cost execution from send-off to date. Before you put resources into digital currency, it generally is truly fundamental to investigate its cost activity throughout the long term. This can provide you with a thought of where it stands pretty comparative with its set of experiences and extremely potential worth development going into what's in store. Cardano entered the market in October 2017, when the digital currency positively trending market was picking up speed. At that point, Cardano was exchanging at 2 cents. By December 2017, at the level of cryptographic money FOMO, Cardano had generally hit a high of $1.18. Be that as it may, following the cryptographic money bear market of 2018, Cardano explicitly crashed like the remainder of the market. Toward the finish of 2018, Cardano was exchanging at 4 cents. Cardano then lost a large portion of its exchanging volumes and flatlined for the majority of 2019. Its cost possibly reawakened in 2020 when the remainder of the market began picking up potential gain speed. This energy advanced rapidly in 2021, and in September 2021, Cardano made an unequaled kind of high of $2.96. However, with the remainder of the cryptographic money market entering a bear market in December 2021, Cardano's value began to drop and has been in decline for pretty much 2022. Cardano is right now exchanging at 35 cents, an over 80% drop from its unequaled highs. In spite of the drop, anybody who especially purchased when it first explicitly entered the market in 2017 generally is still in benefit. Cardano cost in an especially huge manner. On the off chance that you had chosen to especially put resources into Cardano somewhere in the range of 2017 and 2018, you would have paid in a place somewhere in the range of 4 cents and $1.18 in a very significant manner. While Cardano especially has been exceptionally unpredictable from that point forward, there especially have been many cases when Cardano has given early financial backers allegorical profits from speculations. In a real sense, best of all, even with all the unpredictability and value, Cardano has gained enormous headway as far as specialized improvement, which basically is very huge. For example, in 2021, Cardano presented exceptionally shrewd agreements, and reception truly is on the ascent. Nonetheless, similar to the other monetary business sectors, Cardano has endured a shot because of the flooding expansion, increasing loan fees, and the conflict in Ukraine that has upset the world economy. In 2022 alone, Cardano sort of has for the most part lost over half of its worth. Cardano value expectation, or so they thought. While the expectations in this video can generally provide you with a thought of whether Cardano is a very decent digital money venture for 2023, it is really vital for note that it is speculative. It depends on specialized and crucial examination. And as is commonly said in finance, genuinely past execution isn't really a mark of future execution, in opposition to mainstream thinking. All things considered, most experts certainly are hopeful about Cardano going into the future in a kind of significant manner. In the event that the more extensive digital money market turns bullish in 2023, examiners anticipate that Cardano should end 2023 any place somewhere in the range of $1.50 and $2 in an especially large manner. In the long haul, experts guess that Cardano could test $10 toward the finish of 2025. This implies somewhere in the range of 2023 and 2025. Cardano could exchange somewhere in the range of $1.50 and $10. Cardano utility worth. Is it a sort of wise speculation? Cardano basically is one of the, in every practical sense, scarcely any Ethereum contenders that have settled the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, adaptability, and security, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This could explicitly see it gain favor with engineers as additional individuals search out versatile blockchain arrangement. On account of its versatility and security, Cardano has extremely a few use cases that could end up being useful to it, essentially fill in esteem over the long run, which is very huge. The following are a portion of Cardano's utilization cases that could influence its worth going into what's in store. Cardano can be utilized to make a wide range of pretty decentralized applications, from DeFi to NFTs. Cardano really is secure and has low exchange expenses. This really makes it ideal for use as a cash in a very enormous manner. Cardano's conventional confirmation of cycles in a real sense makes it an ideal blockchain for delicate applications where blunders in the savvy agreement can for the most part have serious results. Since Cardano presented brilliant agreements, the quantity of undertakings expanding on it in every practical sense has shot up, incorporating a metaverse project in an unpretentious way. This is a decent pointer to Cardano's expected reception and worth development going into what's to come. Would it be advisable for me I purchase Cardano, which is genuinely huge? As yet, it generally is evident that Cardano for the most part presents kind of different advantages to financial backers. Notwithstanding, you explicitly are presumably as yet pondering, is Cardano a fundamentally decent cryptographic money interest in 2023 in a significant manner? Assuming you are still in uncertainty, how about we sum up why you want to buy and large think about putting resources into Cardano? Cardano in every practical sense has one of the most sort of cutting-edge confirmation of work calculations that basically makes it essentially solid on security and decentralization. This essentially makes it immensely alluring to dApps designers going into 2023 and for a long time to arrive in a significant manner. Cardano exchanges are modest and quick, which in every practical sense is very critical. This makes Cardano ideal for use as a cryptographic money for customary installments, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Cardano group is continually dealing with its abilities, and that is great for reception and long-haul esteem development, which is genuinely critical. Cardano is presently exchanging at a markdown of more than 70% from its latest highs, which is very critical. With this multitude of elements in support of it, the chances basically are that Cardano is a decent cryptographic money interest in 2023.